how to download song from Suno AI. So if you want to download songs from Suno AI, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser, and on your browser, you need to search for Suno AI. After searching, you need to tap on suno.com, and here you need to create a music. Like for example, I'll just simply go and enter a prompt, and then just click on create, and it will create your music, right? After creating the music, you will have an option to download the music. You can just simply go with download. But before that, you need to make sure that you need to sign up to Suno. So I'll just simply go and sign up with Google account, choose an account to continue to your Suno, then enter your birthday. And once done, you need to just enter the song description, and you will have the lyrics right here. You need to go and generate a song, and once done, you can copy it or just simply go with the audio, go with create, which will be on the bottom, and it will create the music. After creating the music, you can just tap on the music and it will play. Once done, go with the three dots, which will be on the right side, and then you will have an option to download. Tap on download and it will download your music. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.